With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So the question is, branch of biology dealing with aging is, options are gerontology, psychobiology, calology, and the last one is dermatology. So if it is gerontology, so it is the study of the social, cultural, psychological, cognitive, and biological aspects of aging. Aspects of aging. Okay, aging. Okay, in gerontology, geron means old man. Okay, and logy means study. It is study. Correct? So the field is distinguished from geriatrics, which is the branch of medicine that specializes in the treatment of existing disease in older adults. Hence, the branch of biology dealing with aging is gerontology. So the correct option is option A. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.